Dear friends, today I will continue with the left subsection 25. Okay, so in the last session we have completed up to subsection 2. Now we will continue with subsection 3. Subsection 3, clause A. Where any such notice of opposition is given under subsection 2, the controller shall notify the patentee. Clause B. On receipt of such notice of opposition, the controller shall, by order in writing, constitute a board to be known as the opposition board, consisting of such officers as he may determine, and refer such notice of opposition along with the documents to that board for examination and submission of its recommendations to the controller. Okay. Nothing to explain here, only observe the underlined words. It will be clear. Fine. Clause C. Every opposition board constituted under clause B shall conduct the examination in accordance with such procedure as may be prescribed. Now, subsection 4. On receipt of the recommendation of the opposition board and after giving the patentee and the opponent an opportunity of being heard, the controller shall order either to maintain or to amend or to revoke the patent. Fine? Next. Subsection 5. While passing an order under subsection 4 in respect of the ground mentioned in clause D or clause E of subsection 2, the controller shall not take into account any personal document or secret trial or secret use. Fine. Now, subsection 6. In case the controller issues an order under subsection 4 that the patent shall be maintained subject to amendment of the specification or any other document, the patent shall stand amended accordingly. Fine. So, this way all the subsection 25 is completed. So, I have given some, just take a look at the comments. Opposition to pre-grant of patent under subsection 1 of section 25 is wider than opposition to post-grant of patent under subsection 2 of section 25. That means it says that the pre-grant opposition is wider than the post-grant opposition. Why? Because the later, that means post-grant opposition is available only to a person aggrieved. Fine? Okay. Now, main difference between subsection 1 and subsection 2 is that even after a patent is granted, post-grant opposition can be filed under subsection 2 for a period of 1 year only. Okay. So, the main difference between the two is that post-grant opposition can be filed under subsection 2 for a period of 1 year. Fine. So, case study, there is a case study, very important case study, you can refer it. The case is J. Mitra and Co. Private Limited versus Assistant Controller of Patents and Design 2008. Okay. So, just you can search for this case and you can read it in detail. Okay friends. So, this way section 25 is completed. So, please go through this video. Please share the video among your friends and please compliment or comment in the comment box. If you have any queries, please ask in the comment box. Okay, we can discuss it in the next session. And okay, thank you so much for watching my videos. And okay friends, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed. Okay, bye.